There is no way of knowing. But if this is out, we are dead in the water.
How do you know that this is a warning?
I know, because I broke the code. I think you'll be very interested in the message behind it.
Help Iris. In great danger. Leave immediately, Ari. Wait, how did you figure this out?
You were working with him on film.
Yeah.
On what capacity?
Well, he just asked me to digitize some 16mm footage for him.
What was on it?
Some old archival footage from the 1950s.
Expecting someone?
I'm not expecting anyone.
All very specific to the human mind and perception. These are all very, very specific to humans. So, is this apple still green to a squirrel, bee, dog, spider, fish, lion, and a shark? So the real question is whether this apple is still green in the objective world, a world beyond the perception of humans. More interestingly, can we even discuss a world that is not dependent, filtered, or manipulated by the human mind, language, and perception?